Hola pessoal. I received a package in the mail the other day from my good friend Agnos Jr. He had offered to make a knife sheath for one of the knives that I make from a kit like this one. So this must be it. Agnos Jr. has an outdoor channel on YouTube and he's really good about putting out a new video every week. He does a lot of reviews on outdoor gear, especially knives. Just a really entertaining channel, so I hope you go visit him and subscribe. I've put a link down below in the description of this video. He also made an unboxing video of the package I had sent him, and I've included a link to that. So this is the knife sheath that I had made, but it's a cross draw type. When I'm out in the woods, I always carry a neck knife, and I usually have a machete on one side of my belt and some sort of pistol on the other side, so it's hard to fit a knife anywhere other than behind me in the small of my back. So this is a Ranger style or cross draw style. And it fits like that. So let's see what Agnos Jr. came up with. Wow, that is beautiful workmanship. Snap closure. This is a modular type sheath. I can carry it vertically, or I can carry it horizontally with my belt through here, like I like. Oh, that's a nice fit. He's wet formed the leather around the knife. It's not going to come out, and he did a good job wrapping the knife. These are very heavy-duty rivets. He's done an edge treatment here around these edges, and you can see probably easier here and here. These are Chicago screws. So I can take this part off . And that's what makes it modular. Look at the beautiful stitching he's done. He's wet formed the leather around the knife blade. And another way of carrying it. If I've used Molly attachments. Agnos Jr., this is unbelievable, my friend. This is way more than any leather I've ever done. too much, my friend. I'll take the plastic off here. I think the leather should be dry now. Agnos, my friend, that is beautiful workmanship. I think you would be able to sell these if you were to make some of them. Thank you again, and I appreciate it. Guys, thanks for watching.